we're here at Fluttercon with Industrial Flutter, and I'm quickly going to take you on a tour of our embedded device demos. Come along. Here we have the Starship Navigator. Let's get going. Like you can pick a star, anyone you like, then you can set it as a destination, and then you get to press the button, and then you warp there. On here we have the Texas Instruments AM6254. It's a pretty decent mid-range embedded hardware. And then obviously the overlay in the front, this is done using Flutter. I think overall this makes for a pretty pleasing experience. We're getting lots of positive feedback from people saying they think it looks cool. I think that was the original intent, to make it look cool. Yeah. Okay, so yesterday we presented a workshop unleashing Flutter on embedded devices with Flutter-pi. So basically we have our workshop filmed and we're going to put it on YouTube pretty soon. Yeah, you guys should definitely go check it out.